Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing. What the freak did I bought? And this is much better by Hornby. I mean, pop it out of the box, so I will open it off camera because I haven't got the room. Here you go. I'll show every step. We will get the paper out. Bit of an overkill of the box, as you can see here. But hey, this is packed properly, unlike my Y14 that came from them. And here we go. What the freak have I bought? That give you a hint, doesn't it? And now with the coronation class, version of the LNER livery there with Empire of India. Now you know why. Cool. Really well packed in here as well. Pull it out. There it is. There's the box. Let's put it out the crap wrap. Move the bubble wrap. Yeah, very nice box. There's the end again. Product code. Right, it's the most expensive bit of roll-on stock. Had to be done. There's the info. Pause if you want to read it. I'll just pan over. So you can read all the information. Nothing on the back. One-to-one collection. Let's check my. I have to have clean hands. Let me just rest on top of the hedge so you can see it. Well, I'm just going to wipe my hands in. Baby wipes. Wet wipes. Ooh. Also ideal for cleaning locomotive bodies. I won't put this on track yet because obviously I want to make sure Empire of India is better. La 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 da 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 da. Some hands. Yeah, so this is the Coronation Beaver tile for the LNER. Absolutely stunning. Let's open the box. Really well packaged inside. All the foam. First reveal. Here we go, guys. I've got curry sauce under my fingernail. McDonald's earlier. There's the leaflet. We will just look at the leaflet. Da, da, da. Here we go. So I can put Mac couplings on it. Very nice. We'll stick with the name. I've got stuff to fit. Back pipe A, back pipe B, sort of Buckeye coupler, tension lock coupler, front end coupling per car. There's that. Oh yeah, here. But I haven't got the rest of them because they're £150. And that's the other side. To actually couple them in. I haven't got the other ones yet, so give me time. Camera knob. And here it is. Oh wow. Even under the plastic. Absolutely stunning. But yeah, here be a. Let me turn the light on so you can see it a bit better. So you can see the colours having match the A4s. So yeah, expect another video where we will see this behind Empire of India. Cheers for watching and see you in the next one. Choo choo. Bye. Expect me to put it behind other things as well. It will go behind a certain A3. It will go behind Tornado. It will go behind Hush Hush. I may even put it behind the J13s. So well, they've got to shunt it into the station, haven't they? So yeah, tune in, like, subscribe, all that YouTube shiznle, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.